Hi, I am Nagendra Tomar, Product Manager for X-Ray and C-Arm. Today I will take you through our C-Arm model named C-Ray Prime series, and it comes with different variants. It comes with stationary anode with 3.5 kilowatt, and it comes with rotating anode 5 kilowatt variant also. And it comes with different imaging chain, like we have 3 imaging chain system with us. We have MXSI, we have MXTI, and we have XMAD 1K square. Now we will see the system movements and positions. So this is AP view, so it means the anterior and posterior side to the patient, and we can use the lateral movement also of the system by using the lateral, steering is there, and whichever anatomy we want to sit, like this is on chest and this side it is on head. Okay. Now let's see the arc orbital movement. This C is fully counterbalanced. So right now it is completely unlocked. No need to even unlock this or lock this, every time you move it. It's fully counterbalanced. So wherever you will stop this, it will head over there. And this is called overscan. It goes further 90 plus 30 degree to other side of patient. And further we can use the up and down movement of table if you want to slightly do the positioning. This is big bag movement of C-arm. Total movement is 25 degree, and you can see it can scan from head to pelvic region. This is C-arm axial rotation. Total rotation is 420 degree, and you can see it can easily revolve around the patient. So total movement is to 420 degree, 210 degree in each side, and you can see even II at bottom side. This C is large C. The clearance of DC is 760 mm, and the source to image distance is 960 mm. And the arc depth is center of this II to the center of this C is called arc depth. This is 63 mm. So you can see the enough ground clearance is there. C-Ray Prime series available in 2 variants of access generator. One is 3.5 kilowatt with the stationary anode tube, and other is 5 kilowatt with rotating anode tube. And this C-Ray Prime series is powered by a generator from IMD Italy. IMD Italy is global manufacturers of monoblock, starting the range from 3.5 kilowatt till 32 kilowatt. So you can see this is source, this is monoblock. Monoblock consists of X-ray tube insert and high voltage tank. And the other side is image intensifier, which is from Toshiba, and this is the latest generation image intensifier 9-inch P7 series. On top of the II, you will see the camera is housed inside that. We have 2 cameras options available. One is with half K by half K, it means 512 by 512 matrix, and other is 1K by 1K camera. The system comes as an option of laser immer, which is mounted onto the II, and that is helpful for radiation free imaging, but it is available as an option. The handle is provided on tube head and on II. This is just to, if surgeon himself want to position it slightly, so he can hold this and he can position it slightly. IMD monoblock is powered by 4 kilowatt tube insert, and it comes with inbuilt radiator facility. So what is the advantage of that? The radiator is being used onto the anode side of that, so for that better heat dissipation. And it gives you 52 kHu of anode heat storage and 650 kHu of overall tube heat housing heat storage. Now let's come to the radiation safety part, and this is a major concern, because surgeon is always into the proximity of tube head. He's the closest person with the tube head. And let's talk about the leakage radiation, the radiation which comes out from the leakage. And the limit of given by AERB is that at 1 meter from source it should not exceed 114 mR per hour. 114 mR per hour at a distance of 1 meter from source is the maximum limit for housing, leakage radiation for housing. Whereas in C-Ray Prime, it is only 3 mR per hour at a distance of 1 meter. So you will see the leakage is very minimal, it is almost negligible. Let's talk about the dose which is going to the patient. We call it patient tabletop dose. So what ARB says that in manual mode you can't exceed 5.75 hour per minute the tabletop dose, and in auto mode it should not exceed 10 hour per minute tabletop dose. Whereas in our C-Ray Prime it is less than 5 hour per minute in manual mode and around 6 hour per minute in auto mode. So it means that we are using very less dose and we are giving a best possible image quality out of that. That is the advantage, biggest advantage of C-Ray Prime. This is C-Ray Prime control panel. It is full touch, comes with live fluoroscopy display, which is unique features in our C-arm, and it is mounted onto the dual articulated arm, so that it is very easy to operate from either side of C-arm, and it has tilting facility also. In conventional C-arm you will find control panel is placed over here on top of the buggy. So every time whenever you want to access features, you have to come just in front of buggy and you have to operate, which is not in the case of C-Ray Prime. This is control panel of C-Ray Prime. The size of this screen is 10.1 inch, and you will find a live fluoroscope display also onto the control panel. This is for the operator, and this feature is unique in this segment. No one is giving this feature in this segment. This kind of feature is mostly available in very high-end C-arms. And what is the advantage of live fluoroscopy on a control panel? That technician can easily see image onto this panel, and he can reposition or realign the C-arm while seeing onto this control panel. He is not dependent onto the monitor at trolley, because that trolley is always be in front of surgeon, whereas the C-arm is keep rotating around to the table depending onto the procedure. What is the unique in C-Ray Prime? Most of the C-arm you will find that it comes with two monitors which is mounted onto the trolley. One is for live fluoroscopy display and other is for reference image. But here in C-Ray Prime you would get third display on control panel, and this is for operator. When you switch on the C-arm, the equipment will go into the auto mode, and this is the icon of auto mode. So by default equipment will go into the auto mode, and equipment itself will select the KV and MA as per the anatomy of the patient. But you can override this also, and then you can select KV and MA manual as well. These are the icon to make the C up and down, and you will see that this is actuator assisted up and down movement. You won't hear any kind of humming noise in OT. And this goes up to 450 mm. There are different operating modes. By default system operates in continuous fluoroscopy mode, or else user can go for pulse fluoroscopy mode. Pulse fluoroscopy mode is used for low dose application, and you can select pulse rate from this side. So 1 pulse per second and 2 pulse per second pulse rate is there. Third mode is the boost mode. It is basically used for obese patient with little higher doses, and it is a non-continuous mode. Once you initiate the exposure, within 2 seconds it will cut off and you will get last image hold onto the live monitor. The next mode is snapshot mode. This is single shot mode and is used for the printing purpose. Suppose you want to give print to the patient, so you can take one shot into snapshot mode and you will get very high resolution noise free images which can be used later for reporting purpose. Next mode is the radiography mode. If you want to use the normal radiograph, so onto the II you can fix a cassette and holder as well, and then you can shoot into the radiography mode as well. And bottom three are the magnification mode, which is for II. So normal mode is 9-inch mode, the M1 mode is 6-inch mode, and M2 mode is 4.5-inch mode. See, you will select normal, Mag 1 and Mag 2. So whenever you want to require a magnification, so you can use this real-time magnification mode. On the bottom side you will see counter is there, and this counter goes to 300 seconds, and after 300 seconds it will give you sound that you have to reset it. This is just a guideline from AERB to keep the counter into the system. On top of side you can see the temperature, and currently it is 27 degrees Celsius. It will show you the real time temperature of X-ray tube. So if it is like is used for the very long hours and maybe back-to-back procedures, so you can have a status of a monoblock, how much it is heated up, and it can go up to 60 degrees Celsius. There are few optional features. One is the collimator, so it comes with the iris and parallel collimator, and the next is image management features, which is memory dependent. Like in MXDI and in XMAD1K square, these features are available which can be accessed from control panel, and these features are like you want to rotate the image, or you want to do edge enhancement, and you want to flip the image. All the functions are available on control panel, whereas in MXSI memory variant, IR remote is being provided, so you can access all these features through remote control. This is the laser emmer. It is again an option feature for half K variant, and you will see there are two kind of laser emmer available. One is tube side and other is II side. So if equipment is equipped with laser emmer, so you can control it from console itself. You can on or you can off it from console. So this is very useful for radiation free positioning. Whenever initially you want to position the C-arm onto the patient, so no need to just take the X-ray just to confirm whether C is aligned to the patient. In that case you can do it from a laser emmer. This is C-Ray Prime workstation, and it comes with three options. One is MXSI, second is MXDI, and XMAD1K square. So this is MXSI workstation. In this workstation you will see 19-inch LED monitors, and both are with a foldable facility. It can completely foldable, and you can even adjust it any of this side depending on to the best possible view from surgeon. It has got features like 100 images internal storage, and with automatic saving facility you no need to save it every time from remote. And, this is live monitor, so you can rotate it onto the last image hold, and right side is for the reference purpose. Then you can do mirror or flip. You can zoom, or zoom facilities there. You can zoom and pan the images. This is digital zoom, and you can do the negative, and this is positive. Slightly you want to change the contrast, it is possible to change the contrast as well. So all the images can be stored in pen drive, and there is a USB port for that. If you want to recall this image to live monitors, yes, it is recalled now. It has got LAN connectivity, So the system comes with the one software CD. So all the images can be stored into the external workstation with the help of LAN connectivity. This trolley is housed. There is a isolation transformer inside the trolley. So it is basically for the safety of equipment. If any power fluctuation is there on input side or any spike comes, it won't pass to the system, and that is the advantage of having of isolation transformer for the equipment safety from input fluctuation. In MXDI variant, you will have a lot of additional features. Although camera will remain same, but the features would be like that. Since it is based on to the PC and Windows based system. So you will have a CD, DVD read and writing facility. You will have a cine loop recording, so which is very helpful in gastro procedures. So you can record complete cine loop at a different frame rate. That will have measurements and annotation package also, and DICOM send. So you can send all the image into the DICOM format, and then you can transfer to other peripheral devices, or you can send across the globe in DICOM format. In 1K by 1K system, since the camera is different, it has got some further additional features like automatic gain control, which will control the gain of camera and system, and even at lesser dose you will get the better image quality. It will have all the features of MXDI like cine loop recording and data export facility in pen drive, in CD, in DICOM format. One more feature is also there, which is patient dose display. At how much dose is being given to the patient during the procedure, it will get displayed onto the live monitor, and also it will be stored into the particular patient folder, so which can export further into the DICOM format. That is very important feature, because in this segment nobody is offering that as a standard features, which we are giving in MXDI and in XMED 1K square memory variant.